Hold. Wife, let me see if I can catch. Ratted, right now, and peeps and it drop.
I blessed love it tonight, man, Mushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to djswicked vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Yes, my beautiful people. DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place once more again. You know what I mean? So much joy and pleasure to be with you guys once more. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, and I hope you guys full joy all of this epic, nice adventure. You know what I mean? Yes, my people, big up and bless up on yourself. You know what I mean? Beautiful background. Yeah, and you know the thing go already, peeps. I'm gonna make you see little of that in the video. But right now, people, we just stay here and bless up. You know, I wanna say a beautiful good morning to all my people. You know what I mean? Good afternoon or good night, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Yeah, man, beautiful background, my people. And nice to have you over here with me once more. You know, always been a pleasure for me, you know. Yeah, man, and always been a pleasure to show you guys all of this beauty. You know what I mean? Yes, no man. You know, joy and happiness, my people. So hope you guys start like up the channel right away, people. You know what I mean? If you never yet subscribe, you know right now a phone time, phone a day, phone a minute, phone an hour. You see it? If you just do the right thing, connect with DJ SWICKED vlogs. You know what I mean? I make the thing spicy and nice. That is it, no joke. So yeah, one people. Yeah, man, make sure you leave a comment, tell me what you think about this one. Yeah, man, share on the views, yeah, man. Yes, my people, love you always. Peace out, check in and see what's going on later on. See? Nice banana, the people. Banana, they nice, you know. Choke, hockey tree, that, you know, peeps. Let me zoom it to machine. Yes, my people, man. Check in. Star apple tree that in the peeps and white skin. Black all the green skin thing. And that is a star apple, black purple skin. But out here we call that black skin star people. You see me, I don't know if you can see. Nice purple skin ones on it. If you can see them. Nice purple skin. You can see purple skin on them people. You see a nice purple skin on it. And I zoom it in a bit more. So I could have make one see what I go on. So see them purple skin on the people. Hope you guys can see them clearly. Just a try to please you guys, and you know the thing already, people. Man, I hope you guys see a little less of little better the sound is zoom, zoom it out. I can now make see what I can. Yeah, man, center was nice, you know. Nice polish to go the tree then green and nice. Beautiful people. But the sky, people. Jesus Christ. Beautiful and nice. Beautiful people. Beautiful. I just love one unity and money we want to have, you know. Make some nice dream house, you know. That is it. Up in this star apple tree, Watch it pre, you know, peep. You see me? Yeah, take time, go up on the tree, you know the thing. Yo, peeps! Nothing normal, you see it? Normal, right? You see what I go on over the peeps? See, so I no joke thing. I no chicken, I no pork thing, you see it? Yeah, them big your fudge though. See, me can get two staple. Consume, you know a thing go. So, stay tuned. Make you see a little more I walk on. As you can see. Way up in the here, man, there, you see it? Babes I can't catch. Wifey, they down there ball out. Boy! You see the pre? See, me can make you see what I go on. Wifey, they down there still. You know the thing go, peeps. Make you see wifey. See wifey, they down there smile off her face. Daughter just come from school. And did it, you know. So stay true, me I look too stable for me and wifey, you know. See that? Feel like I want to go up on a limb there, so stay tuned for that. Should I hear that part a little while, peeps? Baby mother say, hold on, put it. See what I go on, peeps? No one left no water, nothing. You see what I go on? No joke. See him? How cheese it rate? Man, out here. Without fear, you see it? Don't watch no face, me people. You little piece of wisdom more lamp on. But then we say tough, you know. Then we say tough bad peeps. So stay tuned. See me have to hug up him. When I come through some place and some part. You know. We up in a pinnacle me there, you know. I sure know where I go on. Look at peeps. Way up in a pinnacle. You see that? Sure you know how near to the sky me there, don't worry about it. Go near to the sky me there, peeps. Near to the sky, no man. Yo! Pick them two black as the peeps. Yeah, and pick them two then. Star apple for days. Star apple for days. I have to consume one, make you see what I go on. Wait little. Wait little man. I have to consume something for you see what I go on. You see that one right there, sir? It first I get it. Real Jamaican style would I say it first I get yam. Me say, because I swear me the record. Never the record at all, peeps. Now if you just watch and see you. Boy you can't catch. Make her try. Hold. Boo, take a black one. Let me see, make you see how I chew it, boo. Wife, let me see if I can catch. Right now, and peeps, and it drop. They not good enough, you see, they can't catch your peeps. I grab off of things, peeps. You see what I go on? They not bad. Beautiful, beautiful view, my people. Beautiful, beautiful view. You know what I mean? Right now you're tuning in with DJ SWICKED vlogs in the morning. Nice, beautiful view. Look at that tree. Right now it's blooming. You know what I mean? As you can see, get a nice zoom off it. Look at that background, peeps. Beautiful, beautiful background. Yeah, man, looking at those nice hills. Yes, my people. Nice and beautiful, my people. Nice and beautiful. Nice, luscious green. Yeah, man. Nice and beautiful, my people. Yes, no, man. Sweet Jamaica it is, you know. Nice coconut tree they down there, so people. Yeah, man. Bamboo root there, you know, people. Glory, you know, people, when they're at Jamaica. I just not for we don't know if we really cherish what we have, you know. Right now, you better love what you got. 'Cause next year not go easy, no. Remember them song, the people? Yeah, man, nice and sweet view, my people. Nice, beautiful view, my people. Yeah, man, hope you guys full joy in all those beauty and all of that. Yes, man. Joy and happiness, you know, my people. You know, that is it. That is it, my people. That is it, you know. Yes, peeps. Check in. Check in. Check in at this, peeps. Check in at this. Check in at this, peeps. Check in at this. 2-star apple. Me a hunt now quick. Watch your style. Oh, me a climb up in at this. Yes. Yeah, no. Upa would I say? You know. Yeah, no. Peeps, you know, see what I go on? It's getting serious. Yo! You know this star apple tree me there. I look some star apple. And full joy some of them fit you. Peeps, first and foremost you have to bite one to hold there. Then you squeeze it up like this. See it I make way? I only think this me suck out. And I stop. Peeps. Let's squeeze it up and suck out it. Stop. Stop my top bone. Hey, sugar dash when I peeps. Talk truth now, man. You want one for taste. Peeps. Nothing normal. Nothing normal, you know, my people. Them. As you can see, 3 settings. Skip from limb to limb like monkey. Skip from limb to limb like monkey. Hoping a 3 point, you know, peeps. Normal procedure today. We up in a 3 point, people. We up in a 3 point. Take a look now, man. Look good now, man. We up yonder pan there, people. We up yonder pan there, people. People. Here one. If you never yet, click the like button. You see right now? Beg you to click the like button, people. You see if you never yet subscribe. Oh gosh, look here. Just do the right thing. You know we see more of them epic show, you know, people. One djswicked in the place, you know, people. Yeah, man, check me out on TikTok at one djswicked. You see me? On YouTube, don't know djswicked vlogs. Normal. You see me? You see over on Facebook? You have Nehru Stashment Williams. Go over there. Give me the love. Show me the love. You see me? Share the channel, people. Bring people on board. Make them know say yo a nice little vibes are going over here. Look them people. 3 gone all the way up there saying people. I'm gonna go up there, you know, but here. I see you have next piece, your next day. Could no better than this, people. Could no better than this. You could stay in our left palm out, yeah? Else use the staple. Rub it off like this. And then you see them? Staple stay not to come off, you know? Some paper. Make sure you do the right thing. You see me? Like up the channel, leave a comment. Oh gosh. Subscribe to my channel, man. Empty. So do your right thing. Subscribe to your channel. See me? And I'll get way more. Way more. See that, people? For me lifestyle, listen, people. Tree life. You see me bun cool and anything. Yeah, man. So big up all of my loyal subscriber them. Yeah, man. Big up and bless up. Sooner or later in another vlog. See?
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for djswicked vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not did it. Up full, Raz Vital. Hey.
Yo, AC Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain I represent to djswicked vlogs, you see? Yeah, get it. I'm here saying me tired and nightmares. Tired to sip the rum with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the pic in a Times Square. One go djswicked vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.